kini kita ni kataru even menta we need another kani corona care center. We should have like whatever having in the other state in football ground, in a big field, in a big place. We need to set up the corona care center for A and B category only. No, today only we discussed. So that the duty of our health department to go and identify the place. If it is in football ground or it be in the stadium or it will be in any big indoor hall, this has to be identified. We should lay out the big corona care center to accommodate people as much as many. If we have any eventuality that we are prepared.